Dear students, I welcome you all in your today's computer class. I hope that you remember the previous computer lessons. My dears, we were discussing some advanced features of Microsoft Excel 2013, and in the previous computer class, we discussed about data formatting. We discussed about what are font styles, what is meant by font size, and how we can change font color. Dear students, let's discuss some more things about data formatting in Excel 2013. My dears, have you ever noticed that sometimes if you have something important to tell, you change your voice tone? Sometimes your voice becomes loud, sometimes you make your tone low depending upon the situation. It means that you can tell the importance of something while talking by changing the tone of your voice, isn't it? Today we will see that if we want to highlight something in our text or emphasize on it or make its appearance prominent, how we can do that. Students, we have 3 features available in Excel to make text prominent. We can emphasize the text by making it bold, by using italics, or by underlining the text. Let's see, students, how you can make the text bold. Just select the text and click the bold button in the font group of Home tab. See the figures. See, we have selected the normal text by highlighting it. Then, click the bold button. See the difference between normal and the bold text. I hope you got it. Let's see, students, how you can make the text italic. Just select the text and click the italic button in the font group of Home tab. See the figures. See, we have selected the normal text by highlighting it. Then, click the italic button. See the difference between normal and italic text. In italic text, font faces are inclined towards right. I hope you got it. Let's see, students, how you can make the text underlined. Just select the text and click the underline button in the font group of Home tab. See the figures. See, we have selected the normal text by highlighting it. Then, click the underline button. See the difference between normal and underlined text. I hope you got it. These are the features available in Excel 2013 to make text prominent. I hope you have understood it. Now you can practice these lessons on your computer or a laptop. Students, always remember that messy data never conveys proper sense. But if the data is organized and formatted properly, only then it becomes useful. Likewise, you should maintain your notebooks properly. Well, students, I hope you have understood all these things. Now you have to solve the given worksheet. That's all for today. Thank you.